Okay, this is the new branding on the Herbalife nutrition box. This is a box that came through today. I just ordered this yesterday and it was here within 24 hours. So it was next day delivery, which I think is really, really cool. I'm going to go ahead and open up the box to let you see what I've got here. I'm just going to remove all this packing here. So this is a PDM, protein drink mix. One of these. Got my CR7 drive, that's the new formula that was formulated with Cristiano Ronaldo. And this is my instant herbal beverage, raspberry flavour, that's my favourite flavour. And also the vitamin and mineral complex, that's the multivitamins. And let's see what else we've got in here. That's the smooth chocolate F1 Formula 1. Again, one of my favourites. This is the aloe juice, herbal aloe concentrate. And this is what you just mix up with your water. So excellent value for money. This goes a long, long way and it's really good for your gut health. Finally, last but not least, these are the Herbalife 24 Achieve protein bars. I've got 2 boxes here and everything here is going to do me for a whole entire month. Breakfast, snacks, and the CR7 drive is for when I go running or if I'm going to the gym or doing any kind of physical activities or physical workouts. That's when I would use the CR7 drive for a bit of energy boost, and it helps replenish electrolytes in the body. What else have I got here? So that's it. That's everything in the box. And so this would be my normal monthly order. It would look something like this. So not only do I have my breakfast, I have everything I need for a healthy breakfast in the morning. I've also got snack bars, and these are really amazing. I think there's 6 bars in each box. Let me just check. 6 bars. So there's 6 bars in each box. This one is the chocolate chip cookie dough flavour. Yeah, these also come with dark chocolate flavours. If you like dark chocolate or you prefer dark chocolate, they're also good. And I know that some people might be looking at this and thinking, well, how can that be healthy if it's chocolate? There's a very, very fine, thin layer of chocolate on there. And so it really is very minimal in terms of the amount of chocolate. It is high in protein and it's low in sugar. It's also vegetarian friendly. So these are great if you're just looking for a quick, easy, convenient snack, either while you're on the go, while you're at work, or maybe if you've been at the gym and you're looking for a bit of energy as part of your post-workout nutrition or pre-workout nutrition, whatever way you want to do it. So that's been today's unboxing of the Herbalife Nutrition. If you'd like more information on Herbalife, you know what to do. Just send me a message and I'll be more than happy to share more information with you with a free wellness evaluation. I'm offering a free 15-minute Zoom call. It's a video chat where we get to sit together no matter where you are, so it doesn't necessarily mean that we have to meet in person. We can have a video chat, discuss your needs and goals, and I'll answer any questions that you might have with regards to Herbalife Nutrition. There'll be some links below this video where you can learn more about Herbalife, the business, the brand, the opportunity, and the products. Here's some interesting facts. Herbalife Nutrition now sponsors 200 plus athletes, teams, leagues, and Olympic committees around the globe. Cristiano Ronaldo uses and endorses the products. Here's another one, Tottenham Hotspur Women's Football Club. They use and endorse the products also. If you'd like to learn more about Herbalife Nutrition and the various different online challenges that we have, head over to the website azenza.co.uk/Herbalife and join us with our online wellness community.